At the end of this video, you'll be able to make videos like this showing on my screen right now, and also like this. Interesting, right? Let's jump into it. Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Dami, and on this channel I share marketing and sales tips that will help you to grow your business. If you're just watching me for the very first time, welcome, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and also turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first person to watch anytime I release a new videos. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. Let's jump into this. One of the questions I get asked most times is, how can I add voiceovers to videos? In this video tutorial, I am going to show you 3 ways that you can use to add your voice to your videos using the InShot. It's actually a great way to make videos without showing your face or appearing on camera. So if you have been looking for a way to record your voice either over your lesson, over your text, over your presentation slides, or over pictures, over images or videos, this video is definitely for you, and you will want to watch to the end because I am going to show you everything you need to start recording your voice over any kind of images, any kind of text, any kind of presentation slides or lesson. First method I'll be sharing with you is how to record your voice over your text or your lessons or your presentation slides using the InShot app, and you also using your mobile phone. So once you want to do this, the first thing you need to do is to make sure that you have your script ready. Have your script, your lesson on the presentation slide that you want to use, make sure that you have it ready. So once you have it ready, you can decide to just share the points, the main points of your lesson, or the main points of whatever you want to talk about. You can just decide to share the main points on the screen, and then you use your voice to explain the rest of the text. And now there are 2 ways you can actually do this. The first way is you can pre-record your voice. You pre-record it or you record it directly on the text using the InShot app. Let me repeat it again. The first way is you can pre-record your voice using your mobile phone audio recorder. Then you will just upload it with the text. I'm going to show you how to do all those things. Okay, and the second way is you can actually record your voice directly with your text using the InShot app. For the purpose of this training, I am going to talk about the 3 productivity tips that you need to do. Okay, so I'll be sharing my screen and showing you how to do this. So right now I have my scripts ready, and all I need to do right now is to share my screen and show you how I will pre-record this audio and upload it to the InShot app. And also I will show you how I can as well record this directly using the InShot app. Okay, let's switch to my screen right now. Okay, this is my screen right now. All you need to do is to find your sound recorder on your mobile phone. So this is my sound recorder. I'll click on it. All right, so right now I already have my script with me. All I need to do is just to click on this red button and I will start recording my voice. Okay, so I'll press start recording my audio right now. Once you are done, you click on stop and you will see you'll be able to save it. So let me just save this with productivity tip, productivity productivity tip, and I'll click on save. Okay, great. Now that I have pre-recorded my audio, you as well as pre-recorded your audio, all you need to do is to click on InShot app, open the InShot app. Okay, so we are making a new video from scratch. You click on this, then you click on the green button. So once you open this, so instead of choosing video, make sure you choose photos. All right, you choose photos because you actually want to use text. All right, that's the first one. I'm showing you text or your lesson or your slide. So you choose photos, then you click on blank. Don't forget this is blank here. You click on blank. Okay, blank. Then click on the screen icon. So we have a blank space. So now that you have a blank text here, this is blank, all you need to do is to first click on it, you can see, and stretch it as long as possible because this is what you'll be using. Just stretch. All right, so once you have stretched it, the next thing is to click on music to import your pre-recorded audio. So Once you're in music, you click on tracks, which is the first option. So right here inside the tracks, you have featured, you have music, you have effects. All right. So we are going to click on my music. Make sure you click on my music. Okay. So the reason why I said you should label your pre-recorded audio, you can see my recent pre-recorded audio right here, productivity tips. So in case you did not see your own, just type the name that you used to save it in the search bar. Once you type it, then it will come up. So I'm going to select this productivity tip. These productivity tips, that is the exact audio. All I would do is click on use. So already add it to my blank text, and you click on this my check icon. So let me play it right now. These productivity tips. So the audio, the pre-recorded audio has been added to it. All right. So the next thing is to select this blank text, and you had a background image. Click on the background. Let me go back. So make sure it's highlighted. Then you click on the background. Okay. Click on background. Once you selected the background, select any color that you want to use at the background. Okay. So you click on, let me use this color. This color is okay. So once we are done with that, you click on the check icon. And the next is to add the text. Remember I said for the purpose of the video, I will be using the three productivity tips. So I already have a background. Then I'll click on text. So, should in case you want to use the whole of your text, all you need to do is to go to where you have it. You might have it on your notepad. Just go to your notepad and copy. Then you come here and you click on paste. But I don't have anything here. So I just want to share the point. So, like I said, you can decide to share the point, and at the same time, you can decide to copy the whole of your text. So I'm just sharing the main points. All right. So the first point I said, let me play it so that we know. These productivity tips will help you to stay productive every hour. Okay, so all I will do is to type productivity tips. Then you can just click on the enter key to go down. Productivity tips to stay productive for for the week so this is the topic. Okay, this is the topic. All right, so I have this here. You can see the color that I choose, the black and the white, is actually showing very well on the yellow background. So you can make sure that you choose a color that will go well with your background. All right, so productivity tips to stay productive for the week. So I can decide to just zoom it, then I'll click on this to zoom it out, to zoom it anyhow. And I can also decide to change the text. Okay, so I'll use this one. It's okay for me, and I can change the text color from, okay, I think the white is better. So let's go with the white. All right. So once I'm done with it, and I'll click on this check icon. All right. So I'm going to use this from where I started with the introduction. These productivity tips will help you to stay productive every hour. Okay. So I will have to shift this, and I will change the text to productivity tips to stay productive every hour, not for the week. Every hour. Okay. Every hour. We have. All right, so that is how to add that. So this must actually fall in line with the audio. It must fall. These productivity tips will help you to stay productive every hour. All right, so you can see that it ends where I stopped saying every hour. So the next thing that we do is the first point. The first point. Okay, so before I had the first point, I decided to do all this together. So let's say you want to add an image to your point, to your text, or to your lesson. Okay, so instead of using this background, you can actually use a picture. Okay, the picture that you can actually use a picture, or you can use a video. So all you need to do from this option here is to click on this PIP. This is it. It's beside filter. So once you click on the PIP, all you need to do is to select. Let me go back so that we understand. Choose this PIP, then you It will take you to both videos and audio, or both video and photos that you have on your screen, on your phone. Sorry. All right. So let's say I want to select a particular picture. So let me say I want to choose this picture. So I have this picture. The next thing is to zoom it out. You want to use the picture as background. All right. So I'll make sure I zoom the picture out. I'll zoom it out very well. Okay. So you can see the picture has actually covered the background instead of the color. So I'll zoom it out very well. All right. So all I need to do, if I am using this particular image for everything you want to talk about, for all the text, okay, then you have to stretch it here, so it will cover all the other text that you'll be adding later. Okay. All right. So once you are done with these, you click on this check button. Okay. So you can see this text is covering the background image. So all you do is to click on text. If you want to edit this text, you click on text so that you will see the text. So I will now reduce it so I can place it this way. Okay. So once I place it this way, I might decide to leave it with the black background, or I might decide to change it. So I might decide to change it so that it will not have any black background. Okay. So once you do that, and you can leave it this way anyhow, but you can see this black is covering my head. So I might decide to use it this way, or to select anything that I want again. So let's choose a better option. I think this black and white is okay. All right. So once you are done, and my part of my head is still touching this black. Okay, so I'll click on this, then we go back to the PIP. I'll click on it so that I'll be able to edit my picture. All right, you can see it's okay this way. Okay, so if I want to edit the text again, I'll click on this, I'll click on the text, I'll be able to edit the text. Okay, all right, cool. So let me edit it. Let me edit the motion. It can be this way, or this is not good. Okay, so I think this is okay, but it's too fast, so I can slow it down a bit. Slow it down a bit. It's okay this way. Okay, it has slowed down. Then you click on this check icon. So let's play it and see how it goes. Activity tips. Let me play it from the beginning. You can see from the beginning this the background is showing. So I'll click on this PIP. I'll zoom this background so that the yellow background will not show again. So let's play. These productivity tips will help you to stay productive every hour. So you can see this is where the text, you can see the text here, this is where it ends. All right. So that is how to add your text, add image if you want to add image, okay, to the background. And at the same time, you can add video. It's still the same thing, the same way I added this picture as the image background. All you need to do is to click on this PIP. So instead of selecting picture, you click on add here. You click on add here. So instead of selecting picture, you select the video, and you select whichever video that you want to use. Select whichever video that you want to use, and the same way I edited it, that is the same way. Once you have the video there, you zoom it in, zoom it out, and let's say you want to add a video. Okay, let me just let's say you want to add a video right now. Let me delete this. Okay, so I want to add video, this particular video. Okay, this is the video. Next thing you do is you zoom it out the same way. Just use your hand, zoom it out. And once you are done, you click on this check icon. Remember that the video also had it also has audio, so you need to reduce the audio. So all you do is you click on this. This is the PIP. Remember, you go to PIP, you click on this. Then you will now go to the volume and reduce the volume of these productivity tips will help you to stay. If you did not remove this, if you play it productive every hour. Sign one. So you can see that the video background is playing, the audio is playing at the same time. Your own pre-recorded audio is also playing. So you have to reduce the volume to the lowest so that only your own pre-recorded yourself audio. Every hour. So let's see this. All right. Okay.
These productivity tips will help you to stay productive every hour.
You can
One,
see. So that is how to add videos. It's still the same way. You can see the yellow background. All you need to do is to go to PIP and zoom the video outside a bit. Okay, so that the yellow background will not actually show. Just zoom it out. So once you are here, the yellow background will not show. Just make sure you zoom it out very well. So that is exactly how to add video, how to add image, picture image to your text, and at the same time how to use only background color to your text. I hope you understand that. So I'm going to go back. Let me just undo this back. Let me undo it and use, let me leave my picture. Okay, so the next thing is for you to add your text. It's the first point. So this is the end of the introduction. So I will add the second point. So you can actually duplicate this instead of typing again. You duplicate it and you edit it. You can see it as duplicated. You just edit it. So let's say number one. Number one. I need to listen to the audio so that we know what I'm saying there. Let's listen.
every hour. One, ask yourself every hour, is this activity growing my business?
So I'm going to edit this. Number one is this activity growing my business, question mark. Okay, so let's listen to this. I think
Ask yourself every hour, is this activity growing my business?
okay, so this is where it stops. Okay, you can see, and at the same time I can move it down. I can reduce it. So I can decide to change the animation. I don't want that one to, let it just be this one. Okay.
One, ask yourself every hour, is this activity growing my business?
So the second way, the same way you add this, you can duplicate and edit it to number two. So let me listen to it so that we know the number two.
Two, is this activity adding value to my existing clients and customers?
Okay, so I click on it and edit is sticks activity. Adding value to my, let me just type to my customers. Okay, my customers. So you type your, you already have your text.
Clients and customers. Clients and customers.
So I'll reduce it. That's where that one stops.
Three.
So for three, I'll duplicate again. You scroll and duplicate, then edit. Before I edit, let me listen to it.
Three, is this activity making me money?
Is this activity making me money? Making me money. Okay. So
use these three tips.
Next thing is
use these three making me money.
Money. How we have to split. So I have, and let me I will split it here. Sorry.
Making me money.
So I will edit from here.
Use this three.
Use these three tips. Use these three tips to stay productive. Okay.
Use these three tips to stay productive.
So stay productive. That's all. So you can see that the color is showing. All I need to do is to make sure that we go to PIP and increase the background to where the video actually end. And if I want to add another image, maybe different images for each of the points, you can do the same way you do this. All you need to do is to click on these, then you import the photo that you want to use. That is exactly how to edit your photo. Tell me in comments below which of these will you implement right away. Which of these two ways will you implement right away to record your voice, either over your text, your image, or your picture or video? Tell me, I want to know in comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. As well, subscribe to this channel because every week I share marketing and sales tips that will help you grow your business. I will see you in my next video.